Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Myself Archita. I am currently pursuing my first year in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bangalore, SEM first SEM from the DO section. Course title is Mathematics. Course code BMATS101. Topic I am going to discuss in the video is Markov analysis. Let us see the contents I am going to discuss in this topic: introduction, definition, properties of Markov analysis, formula, applications of Markov analysis, and conclusion. Let us see the introduction about the Markov analysis. Markov analysis, developed by the scientist Andrew Markov, is a mathematical method for modeling systems with sequential state transitions. Using the state transition matrix, it quantifies the probabilities of moving from one state to another. Markov chains exhibits the Markov property, where future states depend solely on the current state. This approach involving state space and the transition probabilities is valued for predicting future system states in various fields like economics and the biology. Let us see the definition about the Markov analysis. Markov analysis in mathematics focuses on Markov chains, sequential process where transition between states depends only on the current state. We say that the Markov analysis is a sequential process. It explores the properties like long-term behavior and the equilibrium distributions. This stochastic modeling technique is widely used to analyze dynamic systems with probabilistic state transitions. The method has applications in diverse fields including economics, biology, and the computer science. Overall, Markov analysis provides valuable insights in the evolution of the systems over time. We can see the properties of Markov analysis. Markov analysis in mathematics exhibits key properties. Markov property. The probability of the transitioning to a future state depends only on the current state, illustrating a memoryless characteristic. Second one, transition probabilities. Movements between states are governed by probabilities organized in transition matrix, including the indicating the likelihood of transitions. Initial state probabilities. The system starts in a specific state with defined probabilities influencing its subsequent evolution. Observing states. Some states may be observing leading to a system remaining in those states indefinitely, impacting the overall behavior. These properties collectively define the principle of Markov analysis. A versatile tool. A Markov analysis is a versatile tool used for modeling dynamic systems in various disciplines. The four properties of the Markov analysis is: property 1, the transition probabilities for a given beginning state of a system sum to 1. Property 2, the probabilities applied to all the participants in the system. Property 3, the transition probabilities are constant over time. Property 4, the states are independent over time. Formula for the Markov analysis. The central formula for Markov analysis involves the transition probabilities represented in a transition matrix. If we have a state space S with n states and the transition matrix is denoted as P, where P/ij represents the probability of transitioning from state I to state j, then the basic equation for the Markov analysis is given by P of x/n plus 1 equals j of x/n equals I equals P/ij. This formula expresses the probability of transitioning from state I to the state j in only one time step. Applications in Markov analysis. Markov analysis is a powerful tool with diverse applications in mathematics and engineering. Markov analysis in mathematics revolves around modeling systems with sequential state transitions. The key components includes a finite or countably infinite state, space transition probabilities organized in a matrix, and the Markov property emphasizing the memoryless transitions. Initial state probabilities defines the system starting conditions, and the concept of observing states influences long-term behavior. This approach is widely applied across the disciplines for predicting future states and the understanding dynamic. We can see the conclusion about the Markov analysis. In conclusion, Markov analysis is a powerful tool with diverse applications in mathematics and engineering. Its impact on modeling, prediction, and optimization is substantial, paving the way for future innovations and the advancement in various fields. Thanks for watching this video.